Are your students struggling with editing and revising? This video is for you. Editing versus revising, and what's the job of each one, and how can we make it easier for our kids. You ever tell a kid it's time to edit and watch their whole face just fall? They had a great draft, they were proud of it, and the second you said editing, it was over. That's not a lazy student, that's a student without a system. In this video today, I'm going to tell you exactly why editing stalls out in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, and what I use in my own classroom to fix it. So here is what usually happens. We tell students to get to edit, and we mean everything: capital letters, punctuation, verbs, sentences, spellings, all at once. But that's not editing. That's asking students to search a messy room without knowing what they are looking for. Students don't know the difference between editing and revising. Revising changes meaning, while editing fixes conventions. So one reshapes the writing, the other wipes the windows. When those two things blur together, students feel buried before they even start. If you look at my anchor chart, I use it in a different way, in a very simple way, especially with my bilingual ELA intervention groups. Revising is how does it sound. Rereading doesn't sound to you right. The sentence where you stop and you think it's not sounding right, it's the sentence I need to fix. And editing is when it does not look right to me. I look at it and I know there is a mistake. I try to modify it and make it as easy as I can. So what's the fix? 3 things. First thing, separate revising and editing completely. Different days, different jobs. Don't let them run together. Make sure each one is taught separately. Second, shrink the target. Pick one skill per editing session. One, not everything. Maybe it's an end mark today, or maybe it's a capital letter, or maybe it's just for spelling. When you narrow the focus, students actually catch what they're trying to do, and they think you are teaching, and they start doing it on their own. They master it because it's one by one, step by step, you're building it. And the last one, the third one, give them a routine, something short, something they can hold in their heads. I use a 4-step process. Read one sentence, check it for the target skill that is on the board. I put it on the board, mark it, reread it. That's it. One step at a time, one job. One step at a time, one job. Again, I'm repeating myself because it's such an important thing that to make sure we teach it one by one. What this looks like in real life in my own classroom with my bilingual ELL students and my intervention groups and my low group. Before your next writing block, I always plan it and I think, what's the skill I'm teaching today? So I make sure I just choose one. I write the skill on the board, just one, and I explain to my students that today we're going to be checking for one skill. For example, maybe capital letters. I ask my students to get their notebooks. We do notebooks. I do notebooks, not papers, because I don't want to lose papers. So, and also it's such an important thing for me and my students because they see the growth from day one until the end of the school year, and they start seeing that everything they're learning, it makes sense, comes together, and they're growing as writers. So I give them a few minutes. I say, reread your draft and mark every place you read for that capital letter or for that, whatever objective, whatever skill you chose. And after 5 minutes, we debrief. Ask, what do you find? What did you find? What is it that you found in your writing? So do this. I do it for 2-3 days until they're done. I keep practicing with the same skill. Do it. It's okay. Because at the beginning, school year is going to take you 2-3 days, but then months after, they're done. They know they're going to do it on their own. This is the part that really makes it stick. Put a writing process anchor chart up where students can see it. One that shows the routine and checkable focus area. The anchor chart I use is called Fix One Thing in Your Writing. It's simple. Reread it. Find one thing. Fix it. Underline it. It has check boxes for capital, punctuation, and complete sentences. It's up in my room and also in every student's writing folder. I'm giving it away for free. The link is color version, black and white version, and half page for student size. The half page, what I do, I cut it, I laminate it, we put it in their notebook on the inside cover, and it's there for all, ready to print. Use this week, and if this helped you, hit subscribe. I post real classroom strategy from a real classroom and a real teacher for 3rd through 5th grade ELA and social studies every week. So see you in the next one. Bye.